Hello everyone, my name is Dustin and welcome back to the PLNAR tutorial. In this brief training, I'll show you how to create and measure windows and doors in the current space. Let's get started. We are back here in our bedroom that we have already measured, and the first thing we want to do is add the door. To start, place a point on one side of the door using the white capture button. Do the same on the opposite side to establish the bottom of the door. Hovering over the red line, hit the door button on the toolbar right above the capture button. And just as we did for the walls, tap the pulsing lift button and raise the line segment to the top of the entryway and tap the lift button a second time to set the height. Congrats, you've created a door. Now let's add windows to the room. To add windows, long press the capture button to enter rectangle mode. Move the reticle or target to the top corner of the window and tap the capture button. Drag the reticle to the opposite corner and tap the capture button again to finish the window. Tap the window button on the toolbar to establish your window. Let's try another one in the room. Again, tap the capture button in the top corner, drag to the opposite corner, and tap the button again to set the dimensions. Perfect! You've now created a fully measured 3D room with the perimeter, walls, windows, and a door.